how to return items on Amazon. So if you want to return items on Amazon, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Amazon application, make sure that you've logged in. Now you just need to simply go with You section, which is on the bottom, and then you will have your orders. Under your orders, you need to go with See All, or you can also go with Orders, which are right here. And once you tap on Orders, you will find all of your orders right here. So if you want to return an item, then what you need to do is go and select an item that has been delivered. Like I'll go and select this one. Now, if you want to return this, you need to just go with Replace Item or Return Item. Tap on it and enter what's the issue with this item. If it might be damaged, it might have some missing parts, or the item might be defective, you need to go and select that. And after selecting, you can also add some comment if you want to, and then go with Continue, and it will be returned, and you are eligible for 1 week. But if you have exceeded a week, then you won't be able to return the item. So make sure that you have not exceeded 1 week or the given limited time. Once you tap on Continue, it will ask you for the following prompts. You can just simply go and press OK or Continue, and your item will be returned, or you will be able to exchange your item. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.